Baby, grind with me. Relax your mind and take your time with me. Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And Miss Jam Tours want to cut off her hair. So why you want to cut off your hair, sweetie? Tell me wrong.
I just want a new look.
She want to cut off the rasta, the bubble, the dread, the natty.
The dreadlocks.
So in Jamaica, bubble dread, natty dread, rasta,
Is one of the
dready. Which one is? I missed out anything?
But yeah, they call them natty, by the way.
Natty. So why you want to do this now, sweetie?
Because I just want a new look. I miss my hair. So
You miss your real hair?
I wanted to grow back. And then I was looking at my pictures that I had back then, how I used to style my own hair and all that, so I'm missing it.
Okay.
You know, with locks, like it's just locks. You just keep holding them at one style, like just tired of all that.
Tired of the one
And
thing.
And I've been with them since when?
Since
February last year.
well, you've been met you with locks.
No, okay, you met me with locks, yeah.
But
So
then you
I've been
decided
with them,
you
like,
want
for
to do
3
real locks now.
And then I did real locks.
Then you say you want to show them what your hair look like now.
I'm not.
Show them what it look like. Sweetie. You want to do the before
So you
and
cut it
after.
short.
The before and after.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's
Show
like
them
this.
the uli hair.
See, you
uli.
can't see it.
Cut off that now, see. Wow.
I can't
But what I
short.
find out here in Kenya, like in some part of the country, most girls cut off them hair, sweetie. So it's a natural
They stay
thing.
with short hair. Well, I never wanted to like stay with short hair, so this is woolly.
Yeah.
So I'm taking it to the salon to do something on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you the new look.
Yeah. Back in the days, family, it used to be like
I think I look
like
nice.
afro.
Look at me.
Yeah, afro would fit you nice. You look like a something the lady.
Like a,
Not a modern lady, but a traditional lady. That's how traditional female used to look back in the West, in Americas and in the Caribbean and stuff. Natural hair. Once you have natural hair, you actually pass for a traditional, lady.
touch it and tell me if you don't.
Not
miss
all
touching
these
my
weaves and all these things. And that's the
But
thing.
wait, you've never even touched my like woolly hair.
Yeah, it's very soft.
one with
You wash it this morning.
No, I'm going to wash it in the salon.
Yeah, but you have very nice hair. It's very nice and thick and nice family.
It's puffy.
Puffy.
I cut them at night.
Wow.
Even Ramesh Nani was like, guys, stop cutting. I'm
Eh?
like, no, let me cut them. I don't want them.
Yeah, I guess you want to, and that's the thing. Maybe it's a female thing. You want to have a hair, you can style it. You want to style it.
Yeah, I
and
want to
stuff.
style it. And then you see, every occasion has to be fitted with like a thing. Like on our traditional wedding, I was saying I wish I had my real hair. Like
Yeah, natural hair.
combi, yeah, my natural hair.
Yeah, but natural hair is going back in style now.
Yeah.
And as I said, mostly in Africa, it's just natural hair you'll see. But most people will cut off them hair.
But you know, mom doesn't know about this. She was really opposite. She's like, when you have long hair, I'm like, mama, I won't cut it. But she doesn't know.
But this happened to people who just, I guess, you just get up one day and say, I want to cut your hair.
Yeah. But
I know
be
the
honest,
reason why
since
maybe you
last
want to cut
week-
it.
Oh yeah.
I'll actually explain to you later,
We'll
family.
explain later.
Yeah.
Yeah. But thank you for supporting me.
I see even two ladies here with them hair
With
cut
short
off.
hair.
Short hair. Short hair, don't care.
Love you, what I'm saying.
Yeah?
Thank you for supporting me. You also didn't want me to cut it.
Oh, well, you know, I mean, I just,
But
you know, when
because
you
of-
say you're going to cut your hair, I have ideas of how you'd want to look, and I go up on Google and I want to show you like natural hairstyle, because as you know, guys, I'm a fan of naturality. Once you're natural, you know, I'm down. You know, once you're natural, I'm down, because all of these chemical and all these things cause brain cancer. Where you feel some most female act a certain way.
Another third lady that is short.
Yeah. And most people, if them not shave here in Africa, them have braids.
Yeah.
But all of these cream and all of these things, family, damage your brain. And when you see most females them acting a certain way, is the chemical in the actually, you know, that's in the hair affecting them.
by the way, most people here don't put.
Imagine you put
chemical
something in your hair that is actually
to slime it.
and actually burn your hair. It actually burn your scalp. You know that cream. It's burn your scalp. Yeah, family. So I'm just saying this for people. You know what I mean? It's, you know, it's time to go back to nature. It's time to go back to God. It's time to go back to naturality. And that's the reason why we really want to actually, you know what I mean, encourage people to.
I've stayed with those
You know what I mean?
and you know when I was pregnant with Hamesh, I was like, I want permanent locks.
You want permanent locks.
I remember how I disturbed you want permanent locks.
Mm.
But they put them at that time before I gave birth, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then now, right now, I was like, I want to cut it short.
Mm.
Yeah, but sooner or later we will know why.
Yeah, family. So let us know your thought. We'll show you the next video with braids and stuff. People don't have other cream here. I know it's people that have process here.
It's either braid or wig or weave.
Or weave or something.
Or your natural hair.
Yeah. But I guess maybe like the socialites, them people who into the internet and stuff.
Yeah, they're the ones who do wigs a lot.
Wigs.
Yeah.
But I guess maybe back in years when Jerry Curls
That
used
one has her natural hair.
when Jerry Curls used to run the place. Jerry Curls and cream back in Jamaica.
You
If
can
you're not doing those things, blood clot.
You're not of class.
Not of class. And when you come back, it's some big burn in your head scalp.
Yeah.
I don't understand how people do that.
So what color do you want me to do? You told me.
Well, I guess
Black and a touch of blonde.
touch of brown or something.
Or pure black.
Brown, a touch of brown.
Black.
I think the brown matches skin tone and.
Full brown.
Well, I guess depends on what works.
Okay, we'll see when I get there.
Yeah, family. So we're gonna show you the before and after. So when you put in this braid, now you're gonna take it out after a while and then continue the natural as soon as the hair grow back.
Yeah, I want to do braids for like how many months? Like 3?
3 months.
Well, whatever I'll do today won't last 3 months. I'm just saying like continuous like that until
Okay.
it comes back to how I want it to be, and then I style it myself.
Okay.
Yeah. But I don't think I'll think of dreadlocks anytime soon, whether permanent or temporary.
I honestly thought that you'll have the just dreadlocks forever.
I think I started getting bored so quick.
Yeah, family. So like, share, comment, continue watch the video for the transformation from short hair to long hair to braids with a lot of hair.
Yeah.
I'm out. This is how the hair look. Yeah, family. So this is how it look. So before and after.
We show them nicely when it's.
I'm actually getting a foot scrub now. The last time I did was like maybe 2 months ago. Yeah, all of these things I never used to do them in Jamaica, but you know what I mean, to do it here it's just
Yeah, if you don't do it, it's just
I think it's very, you know, very cheap to do it here. In Jamaica most people don't want to do these things because it will cost you.
wow.
So this is like for 6 US dollars, 6 USD. And your ear is for 15 USD for everything. Just imagine.
So I'm waiting for it to relax. I can't remove it because it's kind of tight.
Yeah.
Not super tight, but it's tight, yeah.
Okay.